Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about IFT MS Stents US and Deep Heat 5-in-1 combination machine, which is right here, and I'm going to tell you about all the features of the machine and I will show you how to start this machine. So firstly, let me give you a short description. So there's a 5 function built in this machine, which is IFT, MS, Stents, US and Deep Heat, and this is IFT TENS MS section, and this is ultrasonic section, and this is Deep Heat. There's Deep Heat is direct, and this is the switch of the machine. There is a 2 switch, one for IFT TENS and MS and one for ultrasonic, and this is main power plug. So you can use IFT TENS MS separately and ultrasonic separately. So this is very easy to use and there's very easy designs of this machine. So let me tell you about the accessories. You get one gel bottle, one velcro, one pen electrode, 4 electrodes, 2 of red and 2 blue, 4 wires, 2 red and 2 black, 2 deep heat pads, 1 main cord, 1 US handle, and there's a 1-year replacement warranty is available for this machine. So 1 warranty card and 1 bag. Let me start this machine. So I have started this machine. And this is IFT TENS MS section, and this is mode selector button. You can select the mode as per your requirement, like IFT TENS or MS. And this is program increase button and decrease button. This is start and stop button. There's a total 125 programs inbuilt, 70 for IFT, 30 for TENS and 25 for MS. This is ultrasonic section. This is setting button, and this is program up and down button. This is start and stop button. This is 1 megahertz, and there's a 2 mode, which is continuous and pulse, and there's a 50 program inbuilt. And this is for deep heat. This is direct. You can see. On the first stage of IFT TENS and MS, the IFT is manual, so you can set timing and hertz from as per your requirement. And this is 150 hertz, and timing will go to 0 to 99 minutes. Let me show you IFT programs. So this is on program 1. I'm increasing the programs. The scan frequency and the bit frequency and the pole will increase according to the mode, according to the program. You can see here. So it's on 70 now. So as I'm going to increase one more program, and there's a TENS mode. 71 to 100 it's for TENS program, and after that 101 to 125 for MS. So this is how we can select the mode and program of this machine, and after that you just need to press start and stop button. Now let me give you a short demo of this machine. Let me set the program and time. So I have set this on IFT program 38. You can see. Now let me see the output. You can see the output. Now let me show you deep heat. So deep heat on is 40. Let me do on 50. Let me set on 50. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes to heat up. This is how it's work. Now let me show you ultrasonic. Let me show you first the programs of ultrasonic. Program 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So there's the 50 programs inbuilt in ultrasonic. It's on mode pulse. Let me set the time and intensity. You can see the frequency. I can increase from here. Now let me give you a short demo. You can see ultrasonic. It's working. This is how it's work. Let me increase the intensity. So this is 5-in-1 combination machine. For further information, please contact on 83750 25564 and 99905 85651. So thank you for watching the video.